So now that we've modeled a route from point A to point B, let's take and tab select our route. You can see several things here. We have the whole run selected there, and phase created is available. So if we go to manage phases, let's make a couple references here. So we'll go and we'll call this run number 1. After, and run 2 and run 3. Okay. Now we're gonna tab select that. We'll go to run 1 on that one. Now you can see we just need to put that on none for now. Now I'm going to copy multiple. I'm going to take this out at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to space this out. Let's say 2 inches. And again, 45 at 2 inches. And you can see, going back to this, now we have 3 runs. Right? Not 100% in their final destination on those next 2, but very simple to do. The first thing is tab select that run, and I'm going to place that on run 2. I'm going to tab select this one, get that whole run there on run 3. Alright. Now if you were to add anything to this, just go to your CE toolbox, set your phase switcher up on the run that you want to work on. If you want to add to them, for the heck of it, you know, you're going to say run 1 or run 2, and you can see it changes your active phase. So I'm going to select that part of it there. Now it's already at the height that I want. The best way to do this is to, first of all, we want to initially break this part off. Okay. So we want to break that first. Now we have a network and a network. They're going to take the top view of this again. And now a line and a line. Double check that. Just come over here. It's right where the other one is. And if you drag this over, you'll notice it doesn't want to truly connect. So what I do for that, so the thing to do, Control we're going to isolate those. We're going to go to the side view. Align. And you want that reference line. Go back. If you go to reset, that's been brought over. And your pipe stayed in place. So when you're doing alignments, you can't just use whatever you want. You got to use the reference line. So in aligning it, you'll notice tab select is only that part now, and back here your tab select is only in the back end of that. So one thing we can do, I'm going to select both these. I'm going to isolate those, just those two pieces. I'm going to go to a view like so. Now, even though I can't see the other pieces, this should, in fact, work. So I'm going to go CE Toolbox, Connect Objects. So I'm going to select Host Object and Object to Attach. Now, I've done the command, and I select. Now, we're going to reset and go down here, tab, select. Now you got the whole run again, right? The whole run's been selected. So that's one method to getting your network back when you lose it. Now this end, much easier. Bring it right up to that line there. And that end's actually already done. Can do the same thing here. Bring that up. That end's actually all done now. And we'll go back over here. We'll repeat the step that we did before, which is to break, then to align, and then we take these two, control, we isolate, and we'll just do it all at once now. And go into that view there, align, grab that end, grab that part, escape. We'll use our select objects tool, or excuse me, connect objects tool. Select that one, tab just to check, reset, and now we've modified and added 2 additional raceways with separate phases. That concludes this video.